Hi everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. So today we are starting a Crafty Mythbuster series. Now I get lots of emails about, have you tried this tip? Does this work? Well, we're going to start trying them out and seeing whether they are a hit or a miss. So today we're trying out re-tacking our mats or bringing our mats back to life. So here I have a scan and cut mat. These are notoriously short life mats, but I still love the machine. So I thought this was a perfect one to try out. It's one I've just finished with. It really doesn't have any stick left to it. So I'm like, well, we'll try it out. So the myth is that you take LA's Totally Awesome. And this is from Dollar Tree. So it's really inexpensive. This whole bottle is $1. And then all you do is spray it onto your mat pretty liberally. And don't worry, I have tried it. That's why half my mat is taped off. So you do this, and then we're going to leave it for around about 5 to 10 minutes. What you want to do is you'll start to see some of the fibers and things loosen, and then you're going to grab your Tonic scraper. Now you can use something like the Cricut scraper. It's not quite as good. You could try a credit card. There is a vinyl scraper that works really well. I like this one just because it has actually a blade of glass in here, which is why it cleans our glass mat so nicely. But it doesn't cut you. You can see I'm going all the way along my fingers, and there's nothing on there. But this is just a really nice scraper to clean your craft space. It was in my top 5 cleaning hacks, all those kinds of things. So what you'll be able to do, and I can already see this starting to lift. It goes like a cloudy, grey, dirty colour, and it makes you realise how much crud is really on your mat. So when I start scraping, do you see now how my mat suddenly looks all white? So that's really all you're waiting for, is for everything on your mat to lift. And so I'm just going to start scraping it to the edge. And you see, if you've seen other people do this, you'll see how hard they have to scrape. Whereas with the Tonic scraper, I literally just wipe it across and it's done. Okay, so we're going to get it all to the other end. I'm going to grab some kitchen towel. I'm going to pop it under my mat so I can just scrape straight onto it. Just like that. I'm going to wipe off. So right now it feels just like really slick, and I have to say, I really thought this was not going to work at this point. So what you next need to do is just take this to the tap, run it under the tap to clean it, and then leave it an hour to dry. And when you've left it for an hour, your mat will be like this. I'm going to wipe off this bit, and it's back to normal tack. I was so surprised. I did not think this would happen, but it's back to normal tack. So I know with a scan and cut, that's a fairly light tack, but this works on your Cricut mats, your silhouette mats, really any electronic cutter mat that's a little bit sticky like this. This tip will work. Just don't forget to rinse it off, which I'm going to do after the video. So this myth is definitely a hit. It works so well. So I'm really pleased because now I can extend the life of all of my mats. And for those of you who keep asking me extra ways to re-tack your mats, check out tomorrow's video because I'm going to share with you how to add extra tack to your scan and cut mat, or if you just want to re-tack a mat in general because you've done this a few times and it really has lost its sticky, and there are ways to do it. So join me tomorrow for that tip. In the meantime, don't forget to hit subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up, and hit the join button. All of those are really important and they're amazing. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow for that extra tip. So have a crafty day, and I'll see you then. Bye.